it looks like it's gonna be a big salad, but actually once you massage this, it really, really shrinks down in size. A lot of times I make this for dinner, and since I cook a lot, I always have a lot of leftovers, either some lentils or beans or soup or just potatoes or yams, and I'll make the salad and then just have those as a little bit of a side dish, and so it's really great. So I'm going to put a little bit of salt on here, and I'm going to put the juice of half of a lemon. So we can get ready to massage this down. I'm also going to put in some avocado. Now that's totally optional. I don't do it for every salad because I like to keep my fat intake low, but I do it a couple times a week because I do like to get a good healthy fat in there. But if you're trying to keep your fat low, just skip it. It's still going to taste really, really good.